10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Geography Unit 2 India Physiography. What factors are influenced by the landforms of India? The river system, climate, natural vegetation, land use, agriculture, transport, distribution of population. These are the factors which are influenced by the landforms of India. Mention the physiographic divisions of India. The northern mountains, the northern Great Plains, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains and islands. Which mountains belong to the latest group of young fold mountains? The northern mountains. Mention the extent of the northern mountains in India. In India, northern mountains extend from the Indus Gorge in the west to the Brahmaputra Gorge in the east for 2,400 kilometers. Mention the three parallel ranges of the Himalayas: Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, Sivalik Hills. Which are the innermost continuous and highest ranges of the Himalayas? The Greater Himalayas. What is the average height of the Greater Himalayas? 6,100 meters. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. What is the height of Mount Everest? 8,848 meters. Mention the peaks of the Greater Himalayas. The peaks of the Greater Himalayas are Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhavalagiri, Manaslu and Nanda Devi. The Greater Himalayas are called Himadri. Why? The Greater Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. That's why they are called Himadri. Mention the glaciers of the Greater Himalayas. Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers. Mention the passes of the Greater Himalayas: Burzil, Zozila, Shipkila. What are Trans-Himalayas? The mountains lying to the northwest of the Himadri are called Trans-Himalayas. Which is the highest peak in India? K2 or Mount Godwin? Where is K2 or Mount Godwin Austen located? Karakoram Range or Trans-Himalayas? Where are the Lesser Himalayas located? They are located to the south of the Greater Himalayas. What is the other name of the Lesser Himalayas? The other name of the Lesser Himalayas is Himachal. Which are the parallel ranges in the Lesser Himalayas? The Pir Panjal, the Dauladhar, the Nagatipa, the Mussoorie, the Mahabharat, and the Darjeeling ranges. Which are the valleys found in the Lesser Himalayas? Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley, Kulu Valley. Which are the hill stations found in the Lesser Himalayas? Shimla, Raniket, Mussoorie, Nainital, and Darjeeling. Which are the outermost ranges or foothills of the Himalayas? The Sivalik Hills. Where are the Sivalik Hills located? They are located to the south of the main Himalayas. Which are also known as Outer Himalaya. The Sivalik Hills are also known as Outer Himalaya. Where do the Sivalik Hills extend? They extend from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. What are dunes? Give examples. The Sivalik Hills have flat bottom, longitudinal structure valleys, which are known as dunes. Example, Dehradun. Where does the northern Great Plain lie? It lies between the Himalayas and the peninsular plateau of India. How are the northern Great Plain formed? It is formed by the depositional work of three river systems, namely the Sutlej, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. Which is the largest alluvial soil tract in the world? The northern Great Plain is the largest alluvial soil tract in the world. Which is the largest physical divisions of India? The Peninsular Plateau is the largest physical division of India. Which is the oldest landmass and was being a part of the Gondwana land? The Peninsular Plateau is the oldest landmass and was being a part of the Gondwana land. Name the hills and plateaus found in the Peninsular Plateau. Aravalli, Vindhyas, Satpuras, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Chotanagpur Ranges, Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau. Which is the highest peak on the Abu Hills of the Aravalli Range? Guru Shikhar. Which are known as the Sahyadris. The Western Ghats are known as the Sahyadris. Which is the highest peak in South India? The highest peak in South India is Anaimudi. Where does the Eastern Ghats join the Western Ghats? The Nilgiri Hills. Which is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats? Armakonda is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. Where does the Chota Nagpur Plateau lie? The Chota Nagpur Plateau lies in the northeastern part of the peninsular plateau. Mention the three parts of the western coastal plain. The three parts of the western coastal plain are the Konkan coast, the Karnataka coast, the Malabar coast. Where does the Konkan coast extend? It extends from Daman to Goa. Where does the Karnataka coast extend? It extends from Goa to Mangaluru. Where does the Malabar coast extend? It extends from Mangaluru to Kanyakumari. Mention the parts of the eastern coastal plain. The northern Sirkar and Coromandel coast are the two parts of the eastern coastal plain. Mention the lagoons formed in the eastern coastal plain. Lake Chilka, Lake Pulicat and Lake Kolleru are the lagoons which are formed in the eastern coastal plain. Which islands are formed by corals? The Lakshadweep Islands.